The Pirates of the Caribbean ride inspired the film starring Johnny Depp. See how many scenes from the movies you can recognize? Hint: Jack Sparrow is there 3 times. If you sit in the front row of the ride vehicle, you'll get splashed as you make the first, otherwise non-terrifying drop. You may get wet enough to cause a bad hair day, and you're likely to have a soggy bottom, too. If you don't want to put up with all that and end up in the line for the front row, ask the cast member in the loading area to move you further back. That song is going to get stuck in your head, no matter what. One of the best ways to get rid of an earworm like that is to embrace it. Why not give in and memorize a few lines so you can sing along? Yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage, we plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up me earties, yo-ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up me earties, yo-ho. Pirates of the Caribbean is one of the coolest places to go on a hot day at Disneyland. Literally. It's also one of the longer rides so you can cool off even more. You can see all the Disneyland rides at a glance on the Disneyland ride sheet. While you're thinking about rides, you should also download our recommended Disneyland apps. They're all free, and get some proven tips to minimize your Disneyland wait time.